All right, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how the image editor works with these social traffic clicks. This software will add clickable images with a URL, a clickable URL images to 5 different social sites for instant traffic, and you can put titles and all kinds of cool stuff to it. In this video, once again, I'm going to be showing you how to use the image editor that's integrated into the software. You can use your own images to upload, or you can go to the image template library and do a search for a number of different categories that you have, or you can just put a general search in here. For example, I'm going to use the search for beach. Okay, and I'm going to search for beach, and there's a number of different beaches that comes up here, and let's just pick an image here, and I'll just choose this. It gives you the size as well. You can click on more to load more images for more pictures, and some of them are relevant, some of them are not. There's a relevant one. There you go. Let's just pick one here. Let's see here. There's one. And so I'm going to right click and I'm going to copy the link address. I'm going to go up here and create a campaign. I'm going to post that link address right here. So I'm going to paste it right there. So there's the link address, and I'll click somewhere else, and that video shows up right here. And here I'm going to just put a test. This is just for my own use, campaign. Oops. I'm going to put a link URL. This is the clickable image URL. So I'm going to put my domain on there. I'm going to put a title. This is my test campaign. And for, you can put a description here. Awesome software coming called Social Traffic Clicks. And if you have Facebook and Pinterest and LinkedIn hooked up, you can do it alongside the clickable image. And put more content here. And once again, you can use the an image URL, or you can upload an image right here, or you can drag and drop it. It gives you the recommended image sizes right here for Facebook and Twitter and so forth. Here is where you're going to post it. You can post it now, or you're going to schedule it later. You can put on the schedule time, and you can set up a number of different schedules, and also where you're going to post it to your main profile, or to any of your pages, or to your groups and so forth. Now I'm just going to post this one to Pinterest, okay, just to show you how it works. Because this is a test, I don't want to post it everywhere. So it's going to post it to Pinterest, and you can post it to Twitter. For your Facebook, you can put a nice a pixel code in here to track it as well. It also has a tracker analytics inside the software here if you go to the analytics. Now, when you go to use the image editor, all you need to do is click on the image right here. It says edit. See that? And an image editor comes up. Isn't that so cool? And here's the different layers. And you can have you can do a number of different things. You can add text and different types of texts. Okay, a lot of different fonts. You can do drawings. You can do filters. You can add shapes to it, and stickers. All kinds of different stickers that you can do. Okay. Really cool for like annotations and so forth. So let's just do a quick text. So I'm going to add some text there, and you can see that this shows up here. And I can do this, move the size. It has a visual editor. I can do the size. I can click inside there, and I can change the color to whatever I want. You see that? So I can change it to whatever I want. Whatever color I want. I'm just testing it here, and just to show you, I can change the font size a little bit more, and double click in there, and I can change it. This is a cool software. There you go. And if I want to add up there, so that's the layer. It has a text there, and I can do another one and edit it right there. Coming soon. I can put a put a call to action or wherever you want to do. And this is just a test, and I can move that around. I can make it bigger. You can make it bigger right here, coming soon. I can add I can add an image on top of an image. So if I click on open, I can add another image on top of this image. Very, very cool. Okay. And you can also put the image URL right here as well. You can add it on top of this image and create another layer and so forth. Okay. I can add shapes, insert shapes, and I can do all kinds of stuff. All right. You can delete it, delete the layer right here. Drawings. You want to do a little drawing there. There you go. Or drawing, or this one here. There you go. And you can, of course, you can delete those layers and so forth. Okay. So that's the basics. I think you get the gist. Once you're done, you can obviously, I'm just going to take this. I'm going to move it down a little bit more. Once you're done, just click on save and save again. And it's going to add it right here. Now I'm just going to post this to Pinterest, and I'm just going to click on create campaign. So it's in the queue. It's queued up to be posted. It's on Chrome. I think it's every 2 or 3 minutes. And I click on see campaign report, and you'll see that it's pending. So I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes because it will post it. All right, so so you can see here that it is completed, and it gives you the URL where it's posted to. So if I click on this URL, it's going to give me the Pinterest URL, and it's loading up, and there it is right there. It's a cool software coming soon. And you can see if I go to my boards, and if I go to my board right there, you can see there it is once again. And if I click on there, there's a post. So if I click on there, you'll see that's, and there it is, okay? And so it works perfectly. And you can see here that you can also see that it has traffic report. So if I click on traffic report, you can see that there's one click because I clicked on it myself. So that's what this domain setting is all about. So you'll see that I have a domain list on mine, and I have tracking.php on one of my URLs. And that's what it does. It tracks the stats for you. So it has all the stats, and you can see your campaign list and the number of counts. For example, I did a post here, and it had 43 clicks, okay, on one here. So it tracks all the stats for you, and you can see the traffic report of exactly where the clicks are coming from, what countries, what the times, dates, what browsers they're using, and so forth, okay. So it's really cool, and that's how the image library works, as well as the image editors. When you're creating a campaign, you can use the image editor to add customized fonts, images, and text, and so forth. Thank you.